feel it, do you?
Do first up, but then you get
we feel it.
and you're like, eh.
I feel it. I got no insulation. All these insulated people keep telling me, why are you so cold? I'm like, because I don't have insulation.
Skin and bone.
Have you heard of body fat percentage? Yeah, on your bones.
Yep, I've got it.
You got some?
Yep, I can hold it.
Yep,
Cool. He's got plenty. Yeah, he's got some to spare.
Yeah, if I get sick, I don't have to eat for 3 days.
That's
I don't
it.
have to feel bad. Right, we're going to be noisy.
Do you know how that's going to... Are you going to just cut branches off it?
Finger it all out in all little pieces and just load it in.
And get it in little pieces.
Yeah.
All right, now make the noise go.
Stay. Perfect. Tell you what, the hill may be bad, but the view is absolutely stunning.
I got a bit of work to do around the yard.
What is that for all the branches? Yeah, there's a...
Yeah, I'm just coming across a bit further so that I've got, when I get up there, I've got a hand to get onto. I'll go half out and I'll get you to hand me the saw. Saw.
You got a little bird in the tree.
Yes, I was standing there before and I heard this noise. Yeah, it was a bird.
Yeah, he's just chilling out there.
A little black and white bird, a little orange. And he was
Yeah, he's a
Oh,
little
there he's gone.
little honey eater.
Is it a honey eater?
Yeah. Getting warm, eh?
Yeah.
Well, it was supposed to rain.
Is it?
It was.
Well, you young guys, you'll be alive one day when you'll see this house pushed to the ground.
Yeah.
I might go dump that load before I cut any more.
Yep.
It's pretty full.
Yep. So,
Yeah, but it's easy to do a $14 load and then
Oh,
come back
100%,
and
yeah.
not have to deal with. And then just load the logs in.
yeah. That's in. Oh, that breeze is nice. Oh. I'll go down there today. Not a bad spot. You get a few planes coming across here too, which is nice. Is that a whale? Yep, there's a whale out
Yes,
there.
I've
There's a couple of whales out
yes,
there.
I saw O'Connor Street this weekend. By tomorrow it'll start being closed off for the winter solstice
Yep.
on Saturday night.
Yep.
All down there.
Yep.
And I think I saw signs this morning that said James Street will be closed.
Mhm.
It will be closed for the winter solstice, but the big eating place on the corner, that's sort of all gone, and Betty's Burgers is going to go in.
Ah. Getting out of here. If I can get it around this tap, I'll be right. Yeah, and then we can just keep...
branches come out.
That's what I said. So I've got a knuckle here on the back of it. Yeah. If I took it off there, and then that's a manageable height then with just a hedger.
He can do that.
Because the views he's talking about, he wants from the balcony, or is he windows?
Windows.
Oh, is that the kitchen, is it?
Not the balcony, no. So just do it a bit more, Sean, don't worry.
Well, it's well outside of the view, like you can see straight through over the top of it.
Yeah.
I might just bring it down to the top of that next knuckle.
And just leave it at that, yes.
Yeah.
See where this knuckle is here?
Yeah.
I'll just bring it a little bit above that knuckle there.
Just that. Yeah, that's far enough.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's be fine with him.
Yeah, because then when it shoots up and then we can...
When we're here, we can have a discussion then.
Cool.
And I'll take the rest of that fig, because no one needs that.
Is that tree from that tree, or is it another
it's a separate
plant growing?
Cave. Without wheels.
He thinks they're lovely, but I'm moving it for anyway, we'll let this go this winter.
Can we chuck that in the back?
Oh, I was going to put it in the
Might as well while we're here.
next week's like. Alright, thank you very much. I hope Wade will be happy with that. He's got a view of the ocean now. And he
Are
can...
you happy with your view?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Bad Maserati. Probably should have checked the tide, actually. No beach. Absolutely no beach. Bit of alfoil, I could probably nearly pick that every time. Where'd you go? I just see you.